People don't know they need a surge protector until they need a surge protector, to the most part. When we do new construction, new design, and we're working with the engineering community, we have that discussion. We will analyze their single line and we will make recommendations where we think the surge protectors could be and where you wouldn't necessarily need to have one. Current design is to put a surge protector at the building entrance panel with nothing else downstream, but that might not be optimal. And the reason why that might not be optimal is, what if you had some expensive lab and research equipment was not associated to the upstream main incoming panel board? That equipment could be very expensive. You can imagine the tests that they're running, and if you lose that data from that test, that could be a significant cost. You might not be able to replace that. Now, if you have an existing facility, people aren't just going to turn around and say, hey, you know what, I think I should put surge protector in, because they don't really know. Unfortunately for them, they've had an event. They don't know what's caused the event. They've had some damage, they've lost data, etc. And then we can get involved. But at that point, obviously it's too late for the initial event, but at least we can help to prevent that for future. Yeah, so we can go to site or we can do it remotely. What we're interested in is really taking a look at the building electrical. We can do that through a single line of the existing facility, or we can come to site and take a look. We're going to take a look at and ask questions of the client in regards to, again, what is important to you? Where are the dollars? What happens if, again, lab equipment, server equipment, etc. If you lost this, what's the cost of downtime? We'll take a look at the associated single line drawing and try to determine where a surge protector would be best suited. Because putting a surge protector on every panel might sound good, but you're also spending money that you probably don't need to be spending. And you don't necessarily need to have a surge protector on a mechanical panel. But you might want to have it on your lighting panel because of the new LED light fixtures. You may want to have it on that panel that feeds that research equipment, that lab equipment, that hospital equipment, which again is very costly, but also associated to potentially life safety issues. Every facility is different. We can take a look at, again, an on-site audit or doing it virtually or via single line drawings.